We are from Data Structure and Algorithm, Section 4, Semester 1. Our mini project title is UMP Sports Center Booking System. Our group consists of 6 persons, which is Chang Huihua, CA19059, Yu Jiayet, CA19068, Zhu Yonghan, CA19088, Tan Xinzhe, CA19101, Pu Long Kit, CA19077, and me, BENEDICT CA19109. This presentation video will be divided into 6 parts, which is Introduction to the UMP Sports Center Booking System, Push New Booking, Update Booking Details, Pop Booking Details, Search Booking Details, or Short Booking Details. Through this system, students are able to book sports centers such as badminton court, basketball court, tennis court, futsal court, squash court, netball court, and volleyball court. While students booking the court, they need to key in their personal information and choose the type of court they want to book. The operation hours for all these courts is from 8 AM to 11 PM. The last booking will be at 7 PM. So, if students want to make booking after 7 PM, their booking will be rejected automatically. The maximum booking hours and minimum booking hours can be booked by student is 4 and 1 hours. This means that each booking made has at least 1 hours and cannot more than 4 hours. This is the table of court price per hour. Basketball court 10 ringgit per hour, netball court 12 ringgit per hour, tennis court 15 ringgit per hour, badminton court 8 ringgit per hour, futsal court 30 ringgit per hour, volleyball court 15 ringgit per hour, squash court 50 ringgit per hour. I will show the full court of our mini project. This is the structure that we declare for our mini project. This is the push function, which is used to add new booking. This is update function by name. This is update function by ID. This is delete function by ID. And this is pop function, which is delete the first and this is search function by name. This is search function by ID. And this is search function by code. And this is sort function by ID. This is sort function by name. This is sort function by code. And this is our display function. And this is display by code function. And this is for our calculation, which used to calculate the time, calculate the total price.
Hello and good days to Dr. SYAHRIR and my friends. My name is Chang Huihua, matrix ID CA19059. I am also the group leader for this group. Now, for my part, I will present about the insertion function for the UMP Sports Center booking system. But before that, let me briefly explain about our insertion function. For our sports center booking system, the insertion function is implemented by using the stack linked list. So the data will be insert or push by at the beginning and delete or pop at the beginning. In other words, it is also known as default, which is last in and first out. In the stack, by using linked list, there are a function that called malloc function that will create a memory for every data inserted by the users. So it is so this stack by using linked list is good in memory allocation compared to the stack by using array. Okay. Without wasting any time, now let us move on to the coding demo part. First of all, I will run the code, and this is our home page that contains a few message, which is the booking hours is start from 8 a.m. until 11 p.m. and the last booking will be at 7 p.m. So before I demo the insertion booking details, I would like to briefly talk about the display function. Now I will input 6 to enter the display function, and inside the second page I can display the booking detail. I can display all the booking details, or I can also display the booking details according to the type of card. So I will select one and press enter, and this is the list of the UMP Sport Center booking that currently be recorded, and this will be this 15 data is the default data that had been recorded in our system at the beginning. So now this is our display function, and now I will go back to the menu page by pressing the enter, and I will select one to push or insert the new booking details. For this page, I will also insert one to add the booking details. Before I enter any details, our group had decided a sample list. This is our sample, and for this sample, we will use it to demo for every function that contain in our coding. So now I will input the data according to this sample. For the name, I will input Muhammad Firdaus and press enter. Next is the matrix ID CD198 and 79 and press enter, and I will be the type of code menu will be pop up. In our case, we have 7 type of code and the price respectively. So here got one message, which is the maximum booking hours is 4 hours and the minimum booking hours is 1 hour. Why? Later I will explain it why it is like that. So first, according to the sample, the user want to book a freestyle course, so I will choose 5 as the freestyle course, and I would like to enter the phone number 018 531 7654 and enter. Email firdaus@gmail.com, and so now I will need to enter the start booking hours separately. Means I will enter the hours first and then the minutes. So for the hours, we have a range, which is the maximum hours that we can enter is 19 hours and the minimum hours is 8 hours. Because for this UMP Sports Center booking system, operation hours is start from 8, so the minimum hours will be 8 and until 11 p.m. So the maximum hours that user can enter is 19. Why? Because the maximum hours booking hours is 4. So 19 hours plus 4 will equal to 23. It is also 11 p.m. and also is the UNP spot booking center closed operation. So that's why user can only enter between 8 hours until 19 hours. So according to our sample, the user want to book the court at 3 p.m. so 15, and then we need to enter the minute, and the minute cannot more than 59. So 0, and the booking hours according to the sample is 3 hours. So now until the booking date, for the booking date, our group had set the years uh, to become 2021, which is this year. So the user are only required to enter the day and also the month. So the user need to enter the day and also the month separately by using the space. Like the user needs to enter the day first, which is 22, and space 2 for the February, and then enter. Okay, now the success message has been popped up, and users are required to press enter to continue, and our record has been saved into the system. So now I will display the booking details that I entered just now. I will enter 6, and I will enter 1. So as you see, for the details that I entered just now, it will appear at the top of the record list because we are using the spec by linked list, which is insert at the beginning. So when the user insert a new data, it will appear at the top of the list. So that's all for my insertion function. Next, I will pass to my other teammate to present their function.
So, my name is Yujayi, metric ID CA19068. Now, I will go to explain and demonstrate on how to update the booking details. This is our main menu of our system, and now I will go to the update part. As you see here, there are two choices given, either update by student name or either update by metric ID. Let's say I go to the first try, either update by student name, and I simply type a name, Lucas. As you can see here, the student name is not in the list. Actually, update means we renew the information that already key in before. If we want to key in new information like Lucas, we need to go to the insert part, but not the update part. So now I will go to the main menu and display the booking list, see what is inside our database. As you see here, there are 15 students here. For now, I will try to change one person information, let's say Benedict Huang. And I wish to change the time from 12 to 2. Other information still the same, just change the time from 12 to 2. Now we go back to the main menu and go to the update part and try with the student name, Benedict Huang. Name found. Then we need to key in back the information that we want to keep. Benedict Huang, metric ID CA19048, network code, student phone number 014-8659-347, and student email address jack@gmail.com. Now go to the part we wish to change, that is start booking hour. We wish to start from 12, so just type 12, and the booking minutes is 0 and 2 hours only, 12 to 2, so 2 hours 2. Now the now we key in back the date 23 March 2021. Yes, the information is successfully updated. Now we go back to the main menu and let's check whether the information is successfully updated or not. Benedict Huang and time from 12 to 2. Yes, it is successfully updated. Now I will try the second way to update our information booking details, that is by update by metric ID. But this time I will not change the time anymore. I will change the email address from jackalias@gmail.com to benedict@gmail.com. Now we go back to main menu and go to the update part. Yes, I will try to go to the second choice, update by metric ID CA1908. Metric ID file, and we key in the name again, Benedict Huang. Metric ID CA19048. Netball code. Student full name, phone number still the same, 014-X65-9347. But this time I will change the student email address from Jack to Benedict. Then the start booking hour, use back the information just now, 12, booking minute 0, and booking hours 2, 12 to 2, so 2 hours. Date is same. Yes, the information successfully updated. Now we go back to main menu and check again whether the information already updated or not. Yes, as you can see here, the email address already become benedict@gmail.com. So in conclusion, there are 2 ways to update booking details in our system, either by metric ID or student name. The user need to key in the metric ID and student name in order to update the info. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hey to sir, my name is Tang metric ID CA19101. Next, I will continue to present the port or delete booking detail. In port and delete booking detail, we can delete it by using 3 methods. First, delete by student name. Second, delete by metric ID. The 3 is port record. The port record means delete at the beginning. So I will show the step of the number 3, port record first. Before that, we just go to the 6 display booking list, display all the booking detail. From here, we can see that the first data is CB19101 and the student name is Kangeri. After that, we go to the number 3, port or delete booking detail. We choose 3. Port records mean delete at the beginning. We type 3. The first record was deleted. Okay. Let us continue to see whether it's deleted or not. We type 6 and type 1. Just now, the first record, which mean the student name is Hungary have been deleted. And then I will continue to proceed to the first one, delete by student name. Before that, let us go to the display booking list. For the third data, have a student name named Gongjun. So we choose deleted by student name and we write Gongjun. The record was deleted. We also go to display and look whether the Gongjun have already deleted or not. Yeah, from the information or from this data, the Gongjun, the student name Gongjun have been deleted. Yes. Then we go to the last, which is the second, deleted by metric ID. Before that, we also go back to display all the information. They have a student ID which are CB19313. The student name is Tang Xingzhe. And we choose top booking detail and we choose number 2, delete by metric ID CB19313. The records were deleted, and then we go to look whether CB19313 have already deleted or not. Yes, from the information or the data, the CB19313 have been deleted. That's all from me. Thank you.
A very good day. My name is Johan, CA1098. Now I will going to demonstrate and present the search part for our group project. So we can see that this is our code for our search part. Yeah, we have do 3 parts for the search part. There is search by name, search by ID, and search by code. So here we provided these 3 choices for the user to choose what they want to search according to name, ID, and the type of code. So this is our system. So as we can see that if the user wants to search the booking details, the user just need to entering 4 to do the search to do the search in this system. So there are 3 choices are provided to the user. So what if the user accidentally entering this search part and he or she wants to go back, just entering 0 and then it will bring back to the main menu. So before that, I wish to display our sample first, our data first, the sample of our data. So this is our sample of data. We have 16, and this is our related information. As we can see that there is matrix ID, student name, phone number, email address, code type, the booking time, date, and the price to pay. So I will start to demonstrate and explain the search part. So, for example, firstly, what if the user wants to search the booking details by name? Want to search by name. So he or she just need to enter 1, and then he or she can just enter in the related name to find. So this system just allow us to entering the full name only. If the user entering the incorrect or incomplete name, the system will not able to find the related booking details. So for example, that there is a user who named Chu Yong Han. So we check that whether this user is in record or not. So as we can see that yes, the user who named Chu Yong Han has in this record, and we can find the related booking informations. So what if the user entering the incorrect or incomplete the name, or incorrect or the incomplete? Yeah. So I will demonstrate. For example, this user just entering Chu, and then this user cannot find because this user wants to find the Chu Yong Han, this user, but he or she just entered Chu only, so is not able to find the username who called Chu Yong Han. So if this user want to find the user who named Chu Yong Han, that this user have to enter in the full name to search the related booking details. So after that, after finish, you have to enter, and then it will bring back to the main menu, and we have to enter it again. So secondly, what if the user wants to search by ID? So just entering 2, and then for example, the matrix ID, he wish to find, he don't know the name, but he knows the matrix ID. So maybe he knows the ID. There is CA19020, and then it will show the related information. Yeah, the booking details and the record was found. So what if the user entering the wrong matrix ID? So let's see. So for example, he entered this. Yeah, this will not show the related information because it's not in the system. It's not in system, so the matrix ID is not in the list. It will show. And the lastly is for the search by type of codes. So what if the user want to check whether this want to search this code is who is using this code? So just that entering 3, and then just entering the provider options from 1 to 7. What if we also considering that what if the user entering the wrong data? For example, he accidentally entering 8. So this system will ask this user to enter it again, and then he will entering the correct input. For example, he want to check the network code, which user has already booked. So we can check. Yeah, we can check that there are 2 persons book this network code. So this record was found. So this 0. So what if the user wants to? So yeah. So what if the user entering the wrong input? For example, the user entering 4 that is not listed in this, and then yeah, it will give the chance, or it will ask the user to enter it again. So only the correct input provider or enter, only that the search part will be work in this system. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, hello, my name is Paul Loon. You can call me Loon. My matric ID is CA19077. Okay, now I will start to present the sorting. Okay, first, let me show you the original display of booking detail. 6. Okay, we choose the first one, display all the booking details. Okay, here the first one is the example we want to use. CD19879 Muhammad Firas. Okay, let us continue. Now I will choose a type of sorting. Let us choose the short booking list. Okay, here we have 3 types of short, which is short by matrix ID, short by student name, and short by code type. Okay, choose the first one. Oh, the record was short by matrix ID successfully. Press enter to continue. Okay. Okay, now I will show you what's the difference to the original display list. Okay, choose the 6 and 1. Okay, as you can see here, the first one is no more Muhammad Firas is the button, and because of this arrangement is short by matrix ID, then the matrix ID starts from the smallest one, which is the 19020, and the alphabet starts from A, and the second one is 19021, and the following show like this. Okay, let us continue to the second type of the sorting. Okay, 5. Okay, choose the second one and press enter to continue. Choose the 6. Okay, 1. Okay, now you can see the arrangement change again. The first one now is Alif Aiman. Because the Alif Aiman first letter is A, and the sorting by the student name is according to the alphabet. The first one is A, the next one is B, Bratan, third Benedict Wong, C, Chan, Chu, following by F, J, K, and the last one is Y. Okay, the next, continue. Okay, now I will show you the last of the sorting, which is the code type. Let's choose. Okay, continue. 6. Okay. Okay, the order is changed again. The first one now is Chua Yue Hua. This order is short by the code type, which is start from the badminton code. The B for badminton, basketball, and the following is full style, F, full style, netball, squash, tennis, volleyball. Okay. Next one. Okay, last but not least, I will show you the other types of display. Okay. But I have to change the sorting method. Okay, I choose 1, matrix ID. Okay, 6. Okay, now I will choose 2. Display the booking details according to the type of code. Okay, now you can see the code, the data is separate in the different code. Okay. The first one is basketball code. 2 people is booked for the basketball code, and the arrangement is sorted by the matrix ID, which is ascending order of the number. Okay, the netball code, 2 people according the number is ascending order. Tennis code, badminton code, full stop code, volleyball, squash. Okay, that's all. Thank you.